Okay, for those of you confused about multiplying and dividing fractions, a reminder for you. If you multiply fractions, you can reduce numerators and denominators. So for example, divide both of these by 4. Okay, I can divide the 10 and the 15 both by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then when I'm done, I can multiply straight across and I get 2 over 9. Okay, now if it's division, we change division to multiplying by the reciprocal. So that means the first one stays, anything before the division stays, then it becomes multiplication, multiply by the reciprocal, and the reciprocal is flipping our fractions. Okay, that's multiplying by the reciprocal. Now the same rules apply with now that I have multiplication. So now I can reduce, divide by 7, divide by 7. Okay, and now I can also divide straight up and down. Divide by 3, divide by 3. And now multiply straight across. Okay, so you can only reduce like that when it's multiplication though. It cannot be division when you reduce. You have to know that. Okay, and that's what I'm saying all over in this stuff. Now, as you look at this, first thing, multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, multiply by the reciprocal. So you saw division. I took this and I flipped it, and now I have a new fraction. Now I can cancel binomials. And so now I have this 9x minus 1 and the 9x minus 1. Now on both of these, it says don't cancel parts of binomials. Like you cannot cancel. Do not do this. That's bad. Do not do that. That's bad. Okay, that's incorrect. You must leave it. You can cancel the entire binomial like I did here and here, but you cannot cancel pieces. Okay, same thing here. Now the 2x plus 3 and the 3 plus 2x, those are the same things. That's like saying 4 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 4. It's addition, and you guys know that addition is commutative. Okay, it doesn't matter which order you add in. So that's why these binomials are the same. They're exactly the same signs. Okay, this one, the big deal is if you see y minus 2 cubed, that means y minus 2 times y minus 2 times y minus 2. Okay, and now again I can cancel binomial, and binomial cancel. Okay, and now this answer you can write as either this answer or y minus 2 times y minus 2 is the same as y minus 2 squared. Okay, here again, here's division, multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, and then I did a whole lot of canceling here. Like I canceled the 15 and the 10, but then I also had this 3 here, in which I reduced it with this 3 here. Okay, so there's an awful lot of canceling in that problem. But the first thing I did was I multiplied by the reciprocal. Division, and then I multiplied by the reciprocal. And then on this one, what you should have noticed is if the top is all 1. So again, I divided, I multiplied by the reciprocal, so I flip. I flip these two. This one's okay. Okay, that's okay. And now I started canceling my binomials. I had nothing left on top except ones. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Now if that happens, it's got to be a fraction and the 1 has to be on top. Okay, that's it. Those are my ideas for multiplying and dividing day 1. See how you did.